Hi there, Dr. Bertian Martin from Boulder Chiropractic Nutrition, and I want to show you how to do a front of the chest or a pec stretch. So the purpose of this is to open up the chest and help the shoulders come back, because with all of the work that we typically do, including myself, I'm always working forward on patients all day. So if you sit at a computer or if you use a smartphone, most of us don't use a smartphone like this. We use it like this. And so this all contributes to rolling forward the shoulder. So to open this up, the stretch that I teach the most commonly in the office is a pec stretch. So the muscles here are called the pectoral muscles, and we call them the pec muscles. So the easiest way to do this is to do it in a doorway. So I suggest doing 3 different hand positions. So the first is right at your shoulder height. The last is all the way up, so the second is in the middle. So 1, 2, 3. And this is important because the pec muscle is shaped like this, so we can get all of the different angles when we do these 3 different positions. So what I want you to do is go into a doorway, or you could do this again one hand at a time. You could do this up against a wall. You could do this in the corner of a room. You could do this in the shower. That's when I do it because it's nice and warm in there and the muscles are easy to stretch. So if you're doing it in a doorway, step into the doorway. First position, I want you to make sure that you're tucking your chin back. Make sure that you get this, what I call the sexy double chin. Don't want you leaning forward like this. This is what we're working against. So hands at your shoulder, chin back, and then lean into the stretch. So what I want you to do in each of these different positions, as you stretch like this, I want this to be a 2-second stretch. So breathing with these motions is really important. So inhale, coming into the stretch, exhaling, hold for 2 seconds, coming back, going into it again. What's important is that we're pulsing these muscles to stretch them slowly. Instead of holding and really cranking on those muscles for a long time, we want this to be a slow, gentle stretch. We don't want to tear the muscles. The importance of this pumping is it helps get blood in and out of the muscles and can make a huge difference in actually lengthening these muscles and having a lasting input. So each position, I recommend 10 to 7 breaths of these positions. I recommend once a day. If you are curious about if this stretch is a good one for you, give us a call or come on into the office. You can go online and make an appointment. We'll see you soon.